What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another Tile Tool Tuesday. In this episode, we will be reviewing not only a new grinder, variable speed grinder that RTC came out with, but using this grinder in conjunction with their backdraft system to reduce the amount of dust. We're going to make cuts in ceramic and porcelain. Show you how well this reduces the dust. We will also show you how well these polishing pads work. Three-piece called the hat trick. Makes things a lot easier when you're polishing things like quartz or just a simple standard polish with a 50 grit on your hard porcelain after a cut. And we will also show you how well this machine works drilling holes with a diamond hole saw and how well this backdraft system reduces the dust as well. So without further ado, let's get on with it. Unbox, show you what this grinder looks like, talk about the details and specs of it, hook up these attachments, make some cuts, show you how well all of these work together in conjunction to speed up time, reduce the amount of dust and debris within your working area. Okay, here we go. Let's open this up, check it out, and make some cuts. Here we are, soft start, variable speed. Different speeds when you polish, different speeds when you cut. Professional grade, anti-vibration handle, and for cutting, drilling, and polishing. Here's your variable speed, 110 volt, 3,500 to 11,000 RPMs. Your handle, and your grinder. Your guard as well. Let's plug it in and see how well she runs. There's your variable speed right there. Feels heavy, feels like a quality grinder. Let's connect some attachments and make some cuts. Here we go. We start with some hard porcelain. As you can see, we have our shop vac attached. Let's turn the shop vac on to extract the dust into this cavity here. Nice clean cut, and I'm sure you saw that very minimal dust when making this notched cut. All got sucked in right into this chamber here. Let's try out the polishing pads. Again, this is called a hat trick. Speeds up time rather than having 10 different grits. This feels about like a 50 grit. This might be a 200 or so, and then up from there. So this is used to polish your porcelain. Also, this is used at a low variable speed with water to polish your quartz. Quartz when you use for your niche sills, shower curbs, you name it. This is polished here. This is what happens after you polish it with the hat trick. This is your cut end. Not polished. As you can see, there's a rough cut edge. Polishing pads for a variety of different applications. We'll use it to clean up this notched cut here. There you have it, all polished up, and the majority of the dust was sucked into the chamber right there. And there you go, hat trick quality polishing pads. Let's now cut some holes with our RTC variable speed grinder. And as you can see, there's an opening here in order to cut holes for your mixing valves, cut holes for your shower arms, just like this. So this backdraft system is not only good for reducing your dust when cutting, but it's also great as a cutting table. Well, there you have it. A lot of fantastic tiling tools coming out of RTC Russo Trading Company from a fantastic quality built variable speed angle grinder. You have your amazing grinder table. It is a dust extractor. You have polishing pads as well, your diamond blades for your grinder, Rockstar. As per usual, I'll leave links down in the description below if you want to check out pricing and specs on all of this. As per usual, thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, tap the bell notification for the next Tile Tool Tuesday, and smash that like button. I'll see you on the next one.